Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the find function in Excel. Let's get started. Find is one of the most useful string functions in Excel. If you want to locate a substring within a string, the find function is great to use. To illustrate how the find function works, let's look at some examples. In column A, we've listed string values that we wish to search. In column B, we have the substring that we want to search for in each of those strings. In this tutorial, we will cover 4 different examples that demonstrate how the find function works and show you how it performs a case-sensitive search. Let's begin by entering the find command. As you can see, the find function takes 3 parameters. The first parameter we will need to enter is the substring that you want to find. This parameter can either be a value or the reference to a cell that contains a value. In our example, we will enter cell B2, which contains the value V in uppercase. The second parameter we will need to enter is a string to search within. Again, this parameter can either be a value or the reference to a cell. In our example, we will enter cell A2, which contains the value Veritas Verge. The third parameter is optional. It is the position in the string where the search will start. The first position in the string is 1. In this tutorial, we will skip this parameter and let the find function perform the search at the beginning of the string. We will cover how to use the start position parameter in a future tutorial. Now let's complete the command and look at our results. You should see the value 1 appear in cell D2. In this example, the uppercase V character was found in the first position of the string Veritas Verge. Now let's copy our formula down to cell D3 to D5. In cell D3, the find function found the lowercase v character in the 8th position in the string Veritas Verge, demonstrating that the find function performs case-sensitive search. It ignored the uppercase v in positions 1 and returned the position of the lowercase v in position A. In the next example, we are searching for the string verge. When you search for a substring that is more than 1 character long, the find function will return the position of the first character of the substring when it finds a match. In this case, the find function returns 8, which is the first position of the substring verge in the string Veritas Verge. And finally, in our last example, we want to show you what the find function will return when no match is found. Since the character y is not found in Veritas Verge, the find function will return the value error. This covers a few basic examples of how to use the Excel find function. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content like this.